Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I want to show you rowing 6, also known as hug, here on the armchair. So we are about to wrap up our rowing sequence on the armchair with the hug, and what a great place to learn it. I think a lot of people, if they could have access to a chair, could really understand hug better on the reformer and not be so pecky about it because they'll have so much more feedback. So if you are here watching this video because of the onlinepilatesclasses.com flashcard deck for the chairs, thank you so much. It means so much to me that you're here. I really enjoyed making those cards, and I hope you're enjoying seeing how they correlate to other exercises in the Pilates repertoire. If you don't have that deck yet, get it, because obviously you want to know more about the chairs. So it's really fun to see how they work together, the mat reformer, one chair, and armchair. So with the hug, you want to do this leaning back, feet hugging each other. We don't want the knees right? You want them engaged. And then you want your whole back up against the chair. So no arching, right? No sinking, just like get it there, including that heart between your shoulder blades. Then you reach your arms out to the side. You want the handle perpendicular to the floor. I reach my arms forward and then I open them up. And again, reaching forward, pulling the waist back, and then opening them up nice and wide. So as my arms come forward, if my shoulders come off the chair, I know I'm working from the wrong spot. And if my arms go back and they pinch together, I know I'm not resisting from the correct spot. So again, so much feedback is happening here as we work with our armchair. So give that a try and then check out how it can correlate to other exercises you're doing, make you more stronger, more connected. Ask any questions in the comments below or come to onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.